Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Tuesday, May 2nd. And we'll start off here with a surface weather depiction. You see there is a risk of some snow showers and lower elevation rain showers in the Idaho-Wyoming border region. Most of that is east of the Snake River. And that's about the only place that's really going to see any chance for precipitation, as the high pressure will begin to dominate the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies weather. But we do still have one more day of it. The low that you just see off here in Canada is actually influencing the winds today as well. We are looking for gusts, or I should say sustained winds of 25 to 30 miles an hour potentially, with gusts into at least the high 30s, if not over 40 miles an hour at first. Especially the Snake River Plain during this afternoon and the early evening hours. So let's break down and see what happens there. First of all, this morning the threat of precipitation is pretty much limited to just sort of widely scattered showers from Maxine all the way down to about the Palisades Reservoir area. This will grow in coverage for the afternoon, still from Maxine, and an increased threat. More like 40 to 50%, all the way down to a slight chance to the Bear Lake region. But you can see elsewhere, though, we are expecting clearing skies. Temperatures should spike up, especially for areas in the Snake River Plain and the central Idaho mountains, by as much as 6 to 10 degrees. And here are those highs. You see near 60 for Pocatello today. Even places like Stanley are getting to around 50 degrees, but you can see where the clouds do hang in, like Driggs and other places like that. Temperatures are struggling to get into the upper 40s and low 50s. And here's the wind. We should start seeing this wind in the late morning hours, and it starts out not so strong. This is basically about 20 to 30 miles an hour with higher gusts, and here it's more like 25 to 35 miles an hour roughly in some of these places. And you can see it slides sort of to the south and east, but it does include Pocatello, Idaho Falls, and even the area near Roberts, where we get a lot of blowing dust when we get winds of this strength. And the threat of precipitation, as I said, it does continue into the evening hours. But you can see it sort of peaks in the early afternoon. Here you can see it's dropping off, and it's still limited to the areas east of the Snake River. And basically after midnight, we're looking for 0 chance of precipitation. You can see here as skies clear, temperatures cool, so they're not quite as mild as they were with the winds we had Thursday morning, late Wednesday night. The exception of the Snake River, of the central Idaho mountains, they are still getting into the teens and 20s. And here you can see basically from here for the next couple of days, nearly clear skies, high pressure locked into place, and so we are looking for continued warming. And under the high pressure, actually not much in the way of winds. So here's the temperatures on Friday. See for the Snake River Plain, middle to upper 60s. Overnight lows, starting to get a warming trend here. Still a high pressure in. You can see topping 70 degrees for Saturday, probably the warmest day of the next 7. And here's Sunday or Saturday night. You can see very mild temperatures. Even Stanley's just barely getting below freezing. More typical this summer for them. Sunday and Sunday night, we'll see the breakdown of this high pressure. We'll start to see a threat of precipitation, mostly in the eastern highlands. Temperatures starting to cool a little bit. Then Monday and through Tuesday night. So Monday night, Tuesday and Tuesday night, pretty much everywhere, cloudy skies, chance of showers for the afternoon and evening. There's a slight chance of thunderstorms. You can see here it's mostly focused on the Snake River Plain and eastern highlands. Again, cooling temperatures will be even cooler than these numbers here by about 4 to 8 degrees for Tuesday. Wednesday, this low will be moving out, being replaced, especially in the western zones, with clearing skies and warming temperatures. But if you're in the eastern and southern corners, we are expecting the chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms to continue. That's all I have. If you have any additional questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback for the content of the briefing, contact our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.